Hey English 11, Mr. Nass here. Hope you're doing great. We're looking at Lesson 7, Unit 3, Persepolis. And we are back on extracts. And you might see that this presentation says 3.4, and that's because back in Lesson 4, you found an extract from the first section of the book that we read, pages 1 through 39. However, excuse me, now we've read pages 40 to 71, and you're going to demonstrate again if you can find an extract that relates to a global issue in Persepolis. So that's what Lesson 7 is about. As far as the assignments here, you have the video you're watching now, and then just the extract mastery check to do for Lesson 7. So pretty straightforward and pretty short as far as the amount of work you need to do. You do need to find a great extract to include, and I'm going to quickly review this extract slideshow as a reminder. It's the same one as back in Lesson 4, but just walk you again through what you need to do and how to find a good extract and how to identify a global issue in Persepolis. So let's go ahead and get started. An extract is a part of a text. So in this case, it's going to be one page of panels from Persepolis. That's all extract means. It's you're taking a little part out of the text. So what makes a good one? How do you know that you found something worth screenshotting, worth extracting out? Well, it's a pivotal moment, something big happening, something important, something that changes our main character or maybe works in with the theme, something that has that's connected to a global issue, and something that's connected to the message of the text. So you will need to get the extract from the ebook. You obviously can look for the extract in the text, but then in order to take the screenshot, you're going to have to use the ebook. And then put the page number under the screenshot, same as you did before. Paste the extract into the document that I'll show you in just a second. Identify the author's choices in the global issue. And so let's take a moment to look at global issues again. Global issues are something with wide-scale significance, so it affects a lot of people. Transnational, not just people in the United States, not just people in another country, but people in multiple countries around the world. And it's an issue that's felt every day, locally, with just normal people. So in this course, you're going to see global issue over and over again. You already have. So we're always connecting literary and non-literary work to global issues. So how do we write about a global issue? This should be very familiar to you. These are the fields of inquiry which guide us to the global issue. These are not global issues, but they take us, they provide categories and ideas to bring us to the global issue. So here's an example. If we look back at the last blockbuster, the film that we watched for rhetorical analysis, we could state the global issue that physical stores, like that blockbuster store in the movie, physical stores promote social interaction and cultural engagement. So social interaction, cultural engagement are going to be those global issues that people feel around the world in local contexts. And then a global issue statement connects it to the documentary, connects it to the work that we looked at. We could say the last blockbuster argues that physical stores promote social interaction and cultural engagement through the use of imagery to appeal to the emotions of the audience. And there I connected it to what they did in the documentary. So that's how we write about global issues. Once again, this is the same thing I just read. We split it up between the global issue and what the author does. All right, I do believe that's the end of the show, so let me just show you the assignment quick. This is the assignment, basically exactly the same as the other extract assignment. Find your extract, screenshot it. This is a link to the same PDF copy of the book that is also linked on Schoology. paste the screenshot here, page number there, and then you just need to answer the 5 questions below. These are sentence starters if you want to use them. If you don't, you can erase them, get rid of them, write underneath them, whatever you want to do. But if you'd like to use those sentence starters, they're just to kind of help you structure your responses. That's up to you. All right, that's it for lesson 7. We'll see you again on lesson 8.